Linnea from 123 Minimize. Today we're talking about your freezer. So take everything out of your freezer, wipe it out, look through everything for expiration dates. And this is a fabulous time to take inventory and write down what you have in there. Use that to make a meal plan for the coming week, or depending on how big your freezer is, maybe the next full month. Another tip that has to do with freezers is to batch cook or make freezer meals. There are many different ways you can go about this, but here are two ways. One is to spend a Saturday perhaps cooking a whole bunch of food that you purposely put in the freezer and plan out to have meals for the next month or two. You can even get together with other friends and do this together with them, and everyone brings one type of meal and then you swap with friends, and so you have a bunch of different varieties of foods in your freezer. Some of these might be really great things to just throw in the crock pot and reheat, add some rice to them or some pasta on the side. Things like that are really great. Things like lasagna and cooked meats. Another way you can do this is, as you're cooking throughout the week, simply cook double what you need and then take half of that and put it in your freezer to have at a later time. This will save you time with cooking and meal planning. Have fun cleaning out your freezer today.